Guys, welcome back. We are doing lesson 5, unit 4 for phonics. So let's get busy. I'm going to share my screen with you. All right, let me get rid of this floating bar up here like normal. And let's make it in present mode. So unit 4, lesson 5. So our learning targets today, I can complete my spelling assessment. I can read and write words with the R and the sounds, and I reread things that swim to build by reading fluency. So today is our spelling test. So during a spelling test, I will read a word aloud, use it in a sentence, and then read the word again. So let's review our spelling words. So this week's spelling words are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and would. Like, would you help me with my homework? All right. So worksheet 5.1, spelling assessment. So your sheet, let me get rid of this bar again. It likes to take over. Should look like this, 5.1, okay? All right. So let's look. Let me close. That thing doesn't want to close, so it'll be all right. All right, so spelling test. Here we go. Now remember, you have to write them the way I am saying them in the video. This isn't you just writing the words down, okay? So number 1, Wednesday. Wednesday. I like to go eat with my friends on Wednesday. Wednesday. Number 2, Sunday. Sunday. I go visit my mama on Sunday. Sunday. Number 3, Friday. Friday. I like to go out to eat with my husband on Friday. Friday. Number 4, Monday. Monday. I go skating on Monday. Monday. Number 5, Thursday. Thursday. I love to watch TV on Thursday night. Thursday. Number 6, Tuesday. Tuesday. Tuesday is called Taco Tuesday. Tuesday. Number 7, Saturday. Saturday. I went to my friend's house on Saturday. Saturday. And number 8, would. Would. Would you help me with my homework? Would. All right, I'm going to say the words one more time. Okay, so make sure this is what you have by each number. Number 1, Wednesday. Number 2, Sunday. Number 3, Friday. Number 4, Monday. Number 5, Thursday. Number 6, Tuesday. Number 7, Saturday. Number 8, would. All right, so let's go back to our Google Slides. All right, so now we're going to do a sound review. The and R. And R. So I'm going to give you each, it says each 2 index cards. Well, I can't do that, not through the screen. And you all write the AR on one card and ER on the other. Well, that would be all great if you were here. And what we were going to do is we were going to have you hold up, is it an AR sound or an ER sound? So you're going to match the words with those sounds. So for example, your first word, let's do it this way. I'm going to stop sharing so you guys can see me for right now. The first word would be card. Which sound do you hear in card? AR, right? Yes. What about harm? Harm. AR, good. What about burn? Burn has the sound. So it's the ER. What about turn? Turn, the ER sound. What about shark? Shark, the AR sound. What about guard? Guard has the AR sound. What about learn? Has the ER sound. Curl, the ER sound. Chart has the R sound, AR sound. What about the word R? Has the AR sound, good. What about bird? Has the ER sound. And surf, the ER sound. Great job, guys. All right, let me go back to sharing. All right, so it says take out a piece of paper and I'm going to say some words, and after I say the word, you're going to write it on your paper. Now I will say each word twice and I will sound it out slowly. All right, the first 4 words that I'm going to read to you will have the ER sound in them, and the last 4 words will have the R sound, like the AR sound. So when you write the words, I want you to underline the sound in the word also, okay? So, number 1, her, her. How would you write that on your paper? Her. Now remember, the first 4 are going to have ER sounds, right? Okay. Number 2, clerk, clerk. Number 3, herd, herd. Number 4, fern, fern. Okay, now that was the first 4. Now the last 4 here are going to have what in them? AR. So number 5 would be farm, farm. Number 6, car, car. Number 7, star, star. And number 8, tarp, tarp. All right, so let's check our words here. So our first one is What makes the sound there? The ER, good. What about number 2? Clerk. What makes the the sound? The ER, I told you, huh? Number 3, herd. What makes the sound? ER. Number 4, fern. What makes the sound? ER. Okay, now look at 5, 6, 7, and 8. We went from ER to AR words. So number 5, farm. What makes the R sound? The AR. Number 6, car. What makes the R sound? the AR. Number 7, star. What makes the R sound? The AR. And number 8, ARP. What makes the R sound? The AR. All right, so we are going to reread things that swim. And then we will work on 5.2. So let me go here. Let me hide this bar. Let me go to my book. All right, things that swim. So I'm going to reread it, so please listen. I hope you kids like things that swim because this is the where we keep all the fish. The fish here are trout. Trout is a fish that swims in cool lakes and creeks. You can see that they have lots of spots and marks. The spots and marks help the trout hide. They make the trout look a lot like the sand on the bed of a creek. And there they are. Here's a big fish that all of the wee fish run and hide. This is a reef shark. It has that name because it likes to make them close to a reef where there are lots of fish. And there's a reef shark. You can see that the reef shark has fins and a set of gills on its sides. You cannot see them from here, but this shark has lots of sharp teeth in its mouth. Would a reef shark bite you? Well, you are not the lunch that this shark would like best. A reef shark likes to feed on squid, crabs, and shrimp. It would be smart not to get the reef shark mad at you all the same. And there's the picture. All right, so let's look at our worksheet. So things that swim. Now we're not writing the page numbers, remember? Okay, you're just gonna color in the spot. That's the correct answer. What is a trout? Is it a dog, a bug, or a fish? Number 2, what parts of a trout help it hide? The first one, spots and marks. The next one, mouth and teeth. Or the last one, fins and scales. Number 3, what big fish makes wee fish run and hide? The trout, the reef shark, or the squid? Number 4, why do reef sharks make their home close to reefs? Why do they make their home close there? 5, what do reef sharks like to feed on? What do reef sharks like to feed on? Okay, so let's go back to our slide. All right, now we're going to go back to 5.3. So let's go back to that 5.3. Let's hide this bar. 5.3. And notice, this is a story you've already read once and possibly a couple of times now. I want you to just practice reading this at home, okay? Notice that our words with the ER are highlighted darker, okay? So make sure that you're pronouncing it the correct way, all right? So it's just on that one page there. All right, so let's go back here. And our learning targets, I can complete my spelling assessment. I can read and write words with the R and the sounds. I reread things that swim to build my reading fluency. All right. So let me find my mouse. There we go. All right, guys, that is the end of this lesson, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye.